promises you made vanish, then made me cry.
Hello my wonderful people, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are having a lovely and a wonderful day. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to where you are watching me from. Please guys, if you are not yet subscribed to Princess and Mom channel, what are you still waiting for? Please kindly do go and subscribe. I'm also press the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. And if you see this video helpful to you, like the video, share it, and if you have anything to say about the video, feel free to drop it at the comment section below. I'll be there to answer you. Okay my people, so I'm going to cook fish pepper soup with yam. Oh my god, I love it so much. Now I'm going to blend my paprika, my onions, my fresh pepper. So I also had a little crayfish on it, but I didn't show it. Now I'm going to blend everything together. So this is the tilapia fish that I'm going to use on it, but I would have preferred catfish, but I don't like catfish. I don't know, my husband don't even like catfish, so I'm going to use tilapia fish on it. This is the red tilapia fish. I'm going to cut everything. So I'm going to cut the bone. Guys, if you want to see the end of this video, please do not skip. So just sit down and watch this video to the end and see the end of this lovely and wonderful fish pepper soup and yam. So I'm going to cut everything into 3 pieces. Look at me now doing what I know best. So I'm going to cut everything into 3 pieces. Please guys, do not forget, go and subscribe. Now I've cut the fish. I'm going to wash them and put them inside my pot. So I'm going to wash the fish, like I wash it 4 times. Yes, I wash it 4 times. So after washing my fish, I'm going to put it on the stove, which is the fire. Now I'm going to add my salt. I just add a little salt. So this is my yam. I'm going to add the yam on the fish. I'm going to add everything together. So this is my pepper soup spices. So I'm going to add pepper soup spices on it to bring out that scent, to bring out that taste, so to bring out that lovely wonderful sweetness. So I'm going to add my mango. So I'm just going to use only 1. I'm okay with it. Now I'm going to add the paprika, my onions, my fresh pepper, and the crayfish that I grind. I'm going to add everything to it. So I didn't grind it smooth, I just grind a little so that I can see the seed on it. Now I'm going to mixture. I'm going to turn everything, you understand? So I'm going to turn everything. I'm going to stir it. So cover it to boil. Look at it now. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I so much appreciate your time for watching our video, you know. So you guys are wonderful. For those of you that have subscribed, thank you so much. Please, if you are not yet subscribed, kindly do go and subscribe, and also press the notification bell so that you'll be notified in any time I upload a new video. So I'm going to serve myself. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.